Do you know why you should buy a pre-owned BMW from BMW? It's actually quite simple. No one cares for BMW like we do. Introducing BMW Premium Selection, the most trusted platform to buy a pre-owned BMW. Our zero maintenance package, or as we like to call it, zero worry package, provides you complete peace of mind when it comes to maintenance of your BMW. A single attractive upfront payment takes care of all the maintenance-related services across every service center in the country. What makes this package even more convenient is that you can opt for it at any mileage and upgrade it at any time you want. The flexible framework, which when coupled with complete cost control, makes the entire deal a whole lot sweeter. So if you want trustworthy services that will keep your pre-owned BMW as good as new, you come to BMW.